Wala tu na chuan polynomials sa kan do ni o. Poly means more than one. Pakat item so inani more than one term. Polynomials o. Monomial, binomial, trinomial kan ita term. Polynomial ni chuan term kat item shim kha polynomial ani o. Chuan exercise 3.1 akan lut nga lang question number 1 kan chok nga lang o. Wan atang yin sub number 1 akan lut nga. Question number 1 chuan heti o. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Satitani o number 1 chuan solution. Quadratic polynomials minang pedona quadratic polynomials di chuan a power lian ber to 2 degree 2 the degree 2 ka lian ber chuan quadratic ania polynomials chu tram khat item tinani a zeros zon turani chuan a relationship kan en bok don ni o kan proof don bok ani chu 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 hi minus 2 hi a zeros zon turani kan chok te pot don ni o zeros zon nan chuan splitting the middle tram angai tani chu tia chok tu ni o number pani multiply 6 up by 5 chu 6 1 ani o 3x squared minus 6x minus ni to wangin plus x 1x plus minus 2 number pani multiply 6 up by 5 ani 6 1 is 6 6x plus 1x2 minus 5x chuan masa pahnia common kalanga masa zoka chuan 3x a common 3x square atanga 3x lak chuan x chi bang to minus chuan 6x atanga 3x lak sak to chuan 3 2 6 ni x minus 2 chuan helam hi kan en lenga li sin om hi lak tur plus ilanga common lak tur om do chuan 1 hi common ti hre tur 1 kan langa 1 ni lak chuan tian dom don tani chuan bracket chunga mi ain an chuan i chok dik tinani bracket chungom lo ve hi ida du nanga 3x plus 1 into x minus 2 lo ni tani hei po par chuan hei kan simplify chuan hei chok don tinani chuan a zero te anin don find the zeros ati a zeros te is on don chuan hei hi x tluk pi chu hei hi zero tluk tir tur ni zero ka lak don chuan tian ka chok don ni either 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0 itianga chuan heta chok tur chu hei plus 1 hi lam pe chuan minus 1 3 lam pe chuan hnuaya x is equal to minus 1 by 3 lo nia le lama chuan x is equal to minus 2 chu plus 2 zia chuan he quadratic equation min pe quadratic polynomials min pe hi helai xi o a hian minus 1 by 3 lo da ta la hei chok ta la 0 chuak tina ti hei 0 chang don tin hani chu ding bokin minus 1 by 3 ni lo 2 po aman thei ta ni 2 hi x zong zong a hin da ta la chok ta la 0 chang don tin hani chu 0 so so yom ji ani so the zeros of 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 to minus 1 by 3 le 2 therefore minus 1 by 3 and 2 are the required zeros toy zong zeros the two kan zeros du the two anni tinani tani chuan a relationship manena and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient tani and so ile potanga tuna chane hi a zeros te minus 1 by 3 le 2 ani chuan coefficient om je chu hei x square coefficient chu 3 tina ma om zel hi x ma zel variables ma zel coefficient he ta chon x coefficient chu minus 5 x square coefficient chu 3 constant term chu minus 2 tani chuan kan hriat tur poimo deuh tuna hin kan soi dawni sum of zeros le product of zeros formula kha text in nen chuan omang kha poimo tu objective atan now tuna chuan sum of zeros kan masang sum of zeros say zeros kan nei te hi ti na ni a bel khom hi helai chok hello point nge a quadratic polynomials atang khan kan nei thei bok hriat tur sum of zeros a zeros te bel khom ti na ni chu minus 1 by 3 a 2 bel tu chuan hei hi cho chuan LCM 3 ania chuan hi minus 1 plus 6 lo ni ta sum of zeros a ron chuak chu 5 by 3 5 by 3 lo chuak ta ni sum of zeros a 5 by 3 a ron chuak chu a formula pakhat a chun sum of zeros chu ta hin zik le meng kan thri thiam theinan sum of zeros a formula nga ta don ni a in mil te reng em kan nan sum of zeros chu minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square ni hi hriat tu chuan en heta English speaking middle term kan chok thak char zero te kan nei nu kan bel le a ai khana question atang heta ron chok 5 by 3 heta tang kam ngal lo ni enang minus choma formula ni minus ni minus choma minus da tur ni chuan coefficient of x chu x ma kha in question en tawla x ma chun minus 5 kha minus 5 da tur ni divided by coefficient of x square chuan x square ma kha enge 3 he chok ta ula enge chuak minus 2 plus 5 by 3 thau ni a chuak hi nang che sum of zeros a zeros te ka bel khom kan 5 by 3 chuak mo a formula manga sum of zeros ka rem khan 5 by 3 thau chuak ai proof le ngai kha a proof dan sum ani tuna product in and product of zeros product chu puntir ti na ni me a zeros te ka puntir do ni minus 1 by 3 multiply by 2 kan en chuan inge chuak minus 2 by 3 a zeros te ka multiply chuan minus 2 by 3 a chuak ti ka chuak ani chu a formula kan nei le ni a zeros te nei kher lo po khan product of zeros kan nei le thei ni product of zeros formula in ti thriat nge tur constant term divided by coefficient of x square in ang coefficient of x square ka denominator ve ni formula khan chuan sum of zeros a chuan achunga numerator a coefficient of x minus coefficient of x ati minus ka thei lo tu chuan product a chuan constant term ani en le nge chu constant term polynomials ka en le ula equation ka constant term chu ama chu kan minus 2 ni ka minus 2 by coefficient of x square chu x square ma chu 3 a chu kilo mil chi che ni minus 2 by 3 ve ni chu man chuan ti khan nge kan proof ani verify ro ti kan verify chi ani ai mil reng ani ta chuak le ta kan chok kha kan mil reng aka equation na soi tum ani chuan ai chak zok ina chok thei to do ni question number 1 kan chok to question number 2 kan thiam anga 3 po kan thiam ka ringa 4 a kalang hold it tuka chun kalsan kha kangamani question number 4 sub number 4 question number 1 sub number 4 solution hey poi all tuk tho kan nei chu nge kan ti chuan 3x squared minus 4 minus x ani look deu kan chun x squared bula 4 on nom ringota atopera x ronda ain rem dik lo ni he rem dik nge tur cho ma in rem dik nge tur chu dan tur patran kan da do ni 3x squared bula minus x omanga chumi zo atopera minus 4 ani chuan chumi zo splitting the middle term kan tile don he 4 le 3 multiply to coefficient of x square at 3 chuan 4 3s are 12 number pani multiply 12 up by 1 dinani chuan so number pani multiply 12 up by 1 to 4 3 thawani 4 3 man turani 3x squared minus 4x up by any wangin minus om to chun plus 2 plus 3x minus 4 nahi minus x minus 4 3x bel chuan minus x chu chuan common kalanga common chu x chawani himi pania hian x common chuan 3x minus 4 pangani chuan dot le plus om chun plus lak mai turani himi pania hian common om lo chuan 1 lak turan ti to 3x minus 4 chuan he bracket kha chuan mi kain ang ve ta chuan x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 kan nei ta ni tikan chuan either kan tile dona 0 kan som dona wang he 0 ti sam ti tu chuan x a ya hi nge ka ta don ti na ni chumi tur chuan hemi hi 0 ka chan ti re don ni either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 kan tile don ta ni chuan heta chuak chu x is equal to minus 1 or lama chuan x is equal to 4 by 3 long thung ta ni zia chu tuna kan hu chu te x truk pui te hi pakhat zok hi da ma support ila chok tai la 0 chuak don ti na ni chuan he hi an 0 te chu ni 0 sian thei tu ka 0 kan ti therefore minus 1 and 4 by 3 are the required zeros ti lemi to ni kan cho hi quadratic polynomials ni zeros ani lai wani zeros ni ta equation quadratic equation chu ni se roots le na kan verify le don ni on to kan ti to khai now sum of zeros to be kom chu minus 1 plus 4 by 3 to LCM 3 minus 3 plus 4 to 1 by 3 lo chuak ta ni sum of zeros formula kha inge minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared tin kha ni maya ain mil lo kan na ain mil lo chun kan chok tik lo ti na mai chuan tai la 3x squared hey minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of x chuan coefficient of x to minus 1 ani chuan a formula minus om to chuan minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 hey 1 by 3 kan hu ka chuan coefficient x square chu x square ma om chu 3 hey ain bil thap chuan chuna tik ti na ni chuan chu tiang bakin product of zeros ka ain mil lo kan en le and product of zeros multiply din ani 0 to multiply here 0 minus 1 by 4 by 3 minus 1 into 4 by 3 to minus 4 by 3 chu constant term minus 4 om in oh minus 4 om constant term so coefficient of x square 3 minus 4 by 3 chok ni chok ti kan chu wan chu kan proof ti na ni le mai oh constant term divided by coefficient of x square in mille sub kan number sub number 4 kan zo le a chumi zo chuan nge harin ti do le tu oh 5 fa kan du le ngalang oh 5 5 kan chu oh tu oh sub number 5 to 4u squared plus 8u omdani quadratic polynomials ani thon oh ma say splitting the middle term na cho be thei lo chu cho dan fraction ya maro ti kan cho enge common 4 le u common oh 4u common na enge bang u plus 2 te khan ne mai ni 4u into u plus 2 ngani ha chuan chuan either ti kha thai hi bracket da ve tai la oh either ti le ngani me 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0 ti le mai tur ni hela ui a hin nge da tai la hi 0 cham ti theyang ti na ni chu chuan u is equal to 0 by 4 to 0 u in 0 to or u is equal to minus 2 ui hen 0 ka da chung 0 chiang ka chak ti chiang sam minus 2 da ah 0 chang thei ti na ni chuan therefore 0 and minus 2 are the required zeros oh chuan kan proof do na now sum of zeros table khom chu 0 plus minus 2 chu inge minus 2 tin ani oh sum of zeros is minus 2 by 1 chok do tin ani chu an amil ve rengem kanena minus 2 by 1 hi inge ka minus coefficient of x ni lo in ta chuan u ni oh minus coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u squared oh coefficient of u squared kena oh chokang minus 2 ron chunge chok la na minus oma coefficient of u2 8 minus 8 by coefficient of u squared to 4 and 4 ita chuan minus 2 chok okay chuan kan proof oh product polo en tai la product of zeros product of zeros a zero step puntir tinani zero step puntir 0 into minus 2 ang number po 0 ni multiply chen 0 chuak ni product of 0 sen 0 chuak ni chu in le chi no ni formula ka constant term divided by coefficient of x squared coefficient of x squared kan ni me constant term angi kan ina 4u square plus 8u ni chuan constant term hom lo 0 ni 0 by coefficient of x square chu 4 0 by 4 chu 0 in mil katia chaw mai tur khani sub number 5 chu sub number 6.3 ama splitting the middle term ni chaw thei ha chok thei de vek to 7 le 8 ai nanga chuan 7 ka pi 7 chu chuan 18 thiam ha 7 solution 7 chuan e square minus 15 om ta teu ni tu ta hian tianga ron om re ren quadratic polynomial a pani chi binomial ni chuan pakhat zawk hi binomial a chuan square ani pakhat zawk poi square a chan tir ve tur ani number zong hi eng number po hi square ani thei square root ani thei chuwang chuan 15 hi eng square nge ti chuan t square anga chan tir ve tu ni root 15 square ani root 15 into root 15 chu 15 chuan luk tu nganen chuan hi a square minus b square ani chu a plus b into a minus b le mi tu chuan ayer in ti lenga t plus root 15 is equal to 0 or t minus root 15 is equal to 0 thì lệ mình tiếng thắng chọn tuần lịch question number 8 của x square minus 3 near 3 chứ x square nghe thì trên root 3 square which implies t is equal to minus root 15 or t is equal to root 15 cho còn số root còn toàn là 0 sa khan therefore minus root 15 and root 15 are the required zeros. Proof don't put in the sum of zeros in there. Zeros table call. Now sum of zeros minus root 15 root 15 bel chu 0 chu in the tai lai sum of zeros formula kenge minus coefficient of x kan nei do coefficient of x kan nei do 0 ni ngal to pa divided by coefficient of x square t square 1 ani 0 by 1 chu 0 chu minus coefficient of t kan nei do 0 kan ta to ti ka minus 0 om thela 0 ti to pani divided by coefficient of x square chu t square chu 1 ani i cho chuan 0 thaw chu coefficient of t square ni bela ni ma sai vector kha chu chuan chu ting bokin product of zeros po product of zeros zeros to multiply number 2 minus root 15 multiply root 15 minus into plus 2 minus root 15 to root 15 to 15 minus 15 by 1 cho do na chu luk te kan in le chuan hei po hi constant term to minus 15 ani constant term minus 15 divided by coefficient of t square I mean chỉ cần proof thì nó là chú coefficient of d square x kan pangalawa d square kan proof kaka question number 1 exercise 3.1 na chota chu pa chu ka chola ka chin chok te effect